Hi. So I'm going to be making a video, and I'm not Emily. I am
Emily. You're going to be taking over my channel.
Yeah, for just a couple videos. And please subscribe to me. My YouTube channel is KSHIS. Please subscribe. And so I'm going to be doing a comparison to a new Evelyn Peach or a tear up Evelyn Peach. So first, look at the colors. This is the ripped up one. See? Look at the color to this. Color to the top. Color to the bottom. And then look at the new one. Kind of the same, but in real life it's not the same color. See? Is that the same color, Emily?
No.
Yeah. And then I want to look at the top of it. So on the top of this one, there is like a big rip, and of course there's not one on this one, but there's a couple little defects. But we are okay with a couple defects. Like there's a lot, but we're okay with it. See? And then the defects over here, like everywhere, like. And so now we're going to compare the squishiness. So let's look at this one. Sorry, it's been 2 minutes. Sorry about that. Emily interrupted me.
Yeah, much.
Yeah. And so the squishiness on the Evelyn Peach, the good one, is like this. You have to hold it for a while, so it'll be like slow rising. That's what Emily taught me.
Slow rising.
Yeah, that's what Emily taught me. So now let's look at it. I need to take
It's in red.
Okay, it's already rised. Now the ripped up one. Let's see who wins. Vote in the comments.
That's going to
Who
be a
wins?
really short video.
Yeah.
But there's going to be 2 parts, so the next part's going to be in the same video now.
Yeah. Well, you don't know that. Maybe. Squishiness on this one. Hold it for a while. La 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 la. No.
I keep interrupting, I'm sorry.
And so vote in the comments who won for that one for the squishiness.
In my next video, I did order a new Evelyn Peach, so let's get ready to see that.
Okay. And so, yeah. And then the bottom of the defects on the bottom.
I'm just here. Yeah.
Bye.
This is my room. You cannot tell me to be mine.
Okay. The bottom squishiness. Hold it for a while. Tell me when to stop squishing.
Okay.
Because she's pushing now. Okay. So, it's been a while. And Emily is going crazy.
I'm blowing stuff.
Yeah, she got a package and she's so excited to open it. So.
No, I'm just actually, everything fell out and I have not touched anything. So I'm super excited. I'm putting everything back in. I'm not. My sister is, and I'm sitting over here watching her throw and stuff.
I'm not your sister.
Not you.
You don't have a sister.
My sister. Well, I do have a sister. She's just not here, and I just feel like throwing stuff around it.
And the squishiness for the defected one is this. And I'm going to pause it and I'm going to keep squishing it. And so, yeah. And, okay, it's been like 20 minutes already. And so let's go with it. So definitely this one won. So
Do not come in. Well, you can, but we'll do it not.
and now I'm gonna be pushing the squishy, like you know what I mean. So, hopefully you can see. And punch. I'm gonna stand on the bed. Okay. Do you guys see me? What I'm doing? Okay. Let's see how slow rising they are. See who's the true winner. I'm just punching them. You guys can't see very well. Hold on.
Water is really heavy. I'm just getting a package I just sent to my friends. All the way in Wisconsin. Not in Wisconsin, but China. I like to go to Wisconsin. I'm weird sometimes, guys.
It's not even videoing.
Better.
I didn't know it was recording. Okay. I was trying to set up this and I didn't know it was recording, so yeah, let's punch it. Stand on the bed and sorry. Here Emily's bed and punch. I'm gonna hold it until it is 9 minutes. Wait, so 9 minutes. It's already like 8:24 seconds. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. Sorry, my hands are really ugly. La 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 la.
It's a surprise.
Shh. When is it gonna be 9 minutes? It's almost. Okay, it's 9 minutes. Let's see here. This true squishy winner. Oh, this one is already finished rising. And this one is a runner. So, this is the most squishiest one. Vote in the comments down below who you think won. I think this one won. Next video I'm going to be playing with Liberty. So, yeah. And I am laying on Emily's bed. So guys, I hope you enjoy. And please comment down below who you think is a true winner. And I think this one is. So next video we're going to be opening up a package which Emily is fixing.
I have not looked inside though.
Yeah, she doesn't look at all stuff.
I don't want to take it. I don't want to.
So, let's end the video.
Oh, she forgot to say her slime that she made.
We're going to make a video on that, so.
Bye, guys.
And subscribe to K-Shayas. That's me. And subscribe to Emily.
You'll be
Dum
subscribing to me.
Maybe. Okay. Who is the dum dum?
Comment
Comment down